If you've been wondering how to use Gcash on your laptop, stay tuned, because I'm going to show you a super simple way to get it working, even though there's no official PC version. By the end of this video, you'll have Gcash running on your laptop just like it's on your phone. The key is using an Android emulator. Think of an emulator as a virtual Android phone inside your laptop. The most popular ones are BlueStacks and Nox Player, both free and safe to download. First, open your browser and go to the official website of either BlueStacks or Nox Player. Download the installer that matches your system. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the emulator. After installation, launch the emulator. It will look like a tablet home screen. Find the Google Play Store inside the emulator and open it. If it's your first time, you'll need to sign in with your Google account just like you would on a new phone. Now use the Play Store's search bar to look for Gcash. Select the official Gcash app from the results and click Install. Wait a few moments while it downloads and installs. Once it's done, open the Gcash app inside the emulator, log in with your existing account details, and you're ready to go. From here, you can send money, pay bills, or do anything you normally would on your phone, but right from your laptop. And that's it. You've just learned how to download and use Gcash on your laptop in a few quick steps. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more practical tech guides, and check the description for helpful links.